Hello and welcome back. I'm come with another new video about Fiverr. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send the custom offer to the client on Fiverr. So let's start the video. So as you can see, I'm on the Fiverr interface and it is the inbox page. So this client told me send a offer to place an order. So now I'm sending the offer to the client to place an order to me. So you have to play to send the customer. You have to click on the this black button, create an offer. So click on it, then it will appear a pop-up with your available gigs. So now you can select anyone which gig is the best performing. Then you can take the order in this gig. So right now I want to take the order in this gig. So click on it. Then you have to open two options, subscription and single payment. So I want to take the payment in single payment is like I want to take when I deliver the order, then client accept the full payment I received. So it's like that. So click on it and then it will appear like this. So now it's a lead generation project. So I have to provide 100 leads from Dubai. So it's leads. So let's describe about the order. So that's it. So this is the I have to provide company name, website, phone. So that's three things I have to provide extra 100%. 100. It's like boot company, boot who are boot company. It's like a boot company from the from Dubai. So it's done. Then you have to scroll a bit. So you have to select the delivery day. So let's click on 5 days, and you have to set the price. So as me and my client discussed the price, the final price was 50. So no revisions. So everything is done. So you can clean up, and you can click here because it's a lead generation project. That's why it's done. Its option is appear here. I will organize the ship before provide the client. So that's it. So everything is done. You can check again. Then you can click and send offer. Then offer will be sent it to the client will see like this. Then when client come here, come on the Fiverr, then it will client will accept the offer. Then I will receive a notification about you got a offer from the you got a order from the client. So that's it for today. So that was the very short video about how to send custom offer to the client on Fiverr. So that's it. If you're new in this channel, please hit the subscribe button to get any kind of freelancing and data entry, lead generation, web research, and any kind of virtual assistant related live client project. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. That will make me happy to create more video, and you can share this video. So that's it for today.